Sometimes it is very difficult for you to choose a perfect font for your project. That is where Font Preview comes in handy. So with the text selected, we can go up here to Text Font Preview. And with this window, we can expand it a little. And you can also adjust your slider to determine how many of these preview boxes you get. But it will go through all of your system font, and it gives you the ability to select the fonts that you may like for this project. So maybe you like this one, and you can scroll down even further and pick another one. And you can keep on selecting the more that you find. It's just adding to your collection for the final choice. So once you have made up your mind on those are all the potential choices that you would like to have, you can click this little check mark that says Display Selection Only. With it check marked, you can see now that we are filtered with only the ones that we selected. Now we can pick the ones that we do not want. So I no longer want this one. I no longer want this one. This one looks the best for me. I'm going to click Change Font, and you're going to see that it went to that font, and we can see it right here as well. So that is the power of Font Preview inside of CreateSpace.